Welcome to ChatGPT image generation. First, say exactly what you want to say. 3D render of an adorable purple, fluffy, wide-eyed furry creature sitting on a table set against a cool pastel floral wallpaper. You don't need prompt engineering, you just need to describe it in natural language. It's important to note that you'll want to define your visual style. By default, the model leans photorealistic. So if you want something stylized, you'll have to say so. I can write in, make this kawaii style. The most important note here is that you should expect to iterate. This isn't going to be a perfect image all the time, but you can work to create the perfect thing you're looking for. Let's say I want to try something else. A photorealistic render of Jenny, a small purple fluffy monster, wearing a handmade wool scarf, standing in a snowy forest at dusk, looking up in wonder at glowing fireflies. More detail means more control. Describing the textures, emotions, and even time of day of the image goes a long way to getting the kind of image you would want. And there we have it. One of the things you can do is upload a reference image so your style stays consistent across these scenes. So I'm going to save this image, create an image of Jenny in a spaceship cockpit with same visual style and fur texture as this reference image, and add in the image we just created. We'll generate. And perfect. We have the exact same creature even wearing the scarf, and we can keep tweaking and refining as we go. So Jenny can go anywhere your imagination takes her, and you can create all kinds of things from within a chat. The key is to speak naturally, refine as you go, and don't hold back on detail. Now go make something adorable. Thanks for watching.